Ever pondered the mysteries that lie beyond our blue skies? The vast, infinite universe that surrounds our tiny blue dot of a planet holds countless mysteries, secrets, and treasures yet to be discovered. Our curiosity, as humans, naturally draws us towards the unknown, propelling us to explore, learn, and understand more about this endless cosmic wonderland. The starry void above us is not merely a blanket of twinkling lights, but a vast expanse, galaxies, nebulae, black holes, and a myriad of celestial bodies. Within this cosmic tapestry lies the key to our understanding of the universe and our place within it. But today, let's focus our attention a little closer to home on one particular celestial entity, a sphere of rock and metal that has fascinated astronomers for centuries: Mercury. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the one closest to the Sun, is a world of extremes. Despite being one of our neighboring planets, it continues to be a source of numerous puzzles and questions for the scientific community. It is a tiny spheroid, a mere dot when viewed from Earth, yet it holds a significant place in our cosmic neighborhood. This mysterious planet, named after the Roman god and prophet, known for his swiftness, is an embodiment of the extreme conditions that can exist in our universe. With its scorching days and freezing nights, it symbolizes the harsh reality of space and its unforgiving nature. Even though it's the smallest, don't underestimate its importance. Its existence and characteristics provide invaluable knowledge about our solar system. So, have you ever wondered about this enigmatic celestial object that orbits our Sun? If so, strap in, hold tight, and prepare for an adventure that will take you across the cosmos and bring you face to face with the intriguing, mysterious, and captivating world that is Mercury. Well, prepare for a journey of cosmic proportions as we delve into the fascinating realm of Mercury. Think of Mercury, and the first thing that probably comes to mind is its proximity to the Sun. It's a simple fact of our solar system that Mercury, named after the Roman messenger god, orbits our Sun closer than any other planet. Located a mere 28 million miles away, it whirls around our star in tight, rapid circles, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days, a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. Yet this proximity to our life-giving star is just the tip of the celestial iceberg when it comes to the intriguing characteristics of Mercury. Despite its closeness to the Sun, it lacks an atmosphere to trap heat, resulting in a striking contrast of extreme temperatures, a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, plummeting to a frigid -290 degrees at night. However, while Mercury's closeness to the Sun might naturally lead one to assume it holds the title for the hottest planet, is not the case. Here, a surprising twist of cosmic irony comes into play. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is actually the hottest. It owes this distinction to its incredibly dense, cloud-covered atmosphere. The thick, heat-trapping envelope of gases that surrounds Venus leads to a severe greenhouse effect, trapping the suns and making it the hottest planet in our solar system. So don't let Mercury's proximity to the Sun fool you. Despite being closest to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in our solar system. That title goes to Venus thanks to its thick, heat-trapping atmosphere. As we venture further into Mercury's mysteries, we discover a world of extremes, a celestial body with a personality as volatile as the Sun itself. The enigmatic nature of this planet, the smallest in our solar system, presents an intriguing spectacle for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Each day is a journey from scalding heat to bone-chilling cold, temperatures that are utterly inhospitable to most forms of life as we know it. During the daytime, the sun-drenched surface of this planet can reach a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Under the relentless gaze of the sun, Mercury transforms into a fiery world, a stark contrast to its chilly nights. On the other side of this spectrum, when darkness descends, the planet's temperature takes a dramatic plunge. The night side of Mercury, void of sunlight, plummets to a frigid -290 degrees. Besides its drastic temperature shift, Mercury's nights are also enveloped in a darkness so profound it makes the cold seem even more unbearable. This extreme dichotomy of temperatures, from blistering heat to numbing cold in a single day, is Mercury's defining feature. This is the most significant temperature variation of any planet in our solar system. Now, here's where it gets even more intriguing. The planet Mercury, unlike the majority of its celestial counterparts inhabiting our universe, possesses a remarkably thin atmosphere, which is often referred to as an exosphere. This exosphere is an amalgamation of diverse elements, with the principal ones being oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Intriguingly, these elements don't combine to form a thick protective layer. Rather, they contribute to a thin, nearly transparent envelope that barely shields the planet from the vast cold vacuum of the cosmos. This unusual lack of a significantly dense atmosphere is particularly notable because it means that the surface of Mercury is perpetually exposed to the harsh and unforgiving conditions of outer space. Without a robust atmospheric buffer, Mercury falls prey to various space elements, including incessant meteor impacts. These impacts, in turn, significantly and irreversibly shape the surface landscape of the planet. Over the course of time, these meteor impacts have created an astounding amount of craters on Mercury's surface. The repercussions of this continuous exposure to meteor impacts are evident in the form of that strewn with an innumerable number of craters. This heavily pockmarked landscape makes Mercury bear a striking resemblance to our very own moon, which also sports a similar crater-riddled surface. As a result, Mercury's landscape is littered with craters similar to our moon. And speaking of the moon, there are many interesting facts to consider when exploring our cosmos. It's a vast universe filled with wonder, intrigue, and countless mysteries. Have you ever taken the time to gaze into the night sky and marvel at what lies beyond our earthly confines? Millions upon millions of celestial bodies, each with its own unique story. Among them, there's a particular tale about Mercury that's genuinely fascinating. Mercury, despite being a planet, is actually smaller than some of our solar system's moons. Isn't it amazing? When we think of planets, we usually imagine enormous celestial bodies dwarfing our own Earth. However, this isn't the case for Mercury. Despite its status as a planet, there are moons that outdo it in size, including the moons of Jupiter named Ganymede and Saturn's moon, Titan. There's something else that's quite about Mercury. Despite its small size, it packs a punch when it comes to its core. The core of Mercury is primarily composed of iron. This iron core is enormous, so much so, it accounts for about 65% of its total mass. This fact is intriguing because it leads to a surprising result. Despite Mercury's diminutive size, when you consider its mass, it turns out to be surprisingly dense. This density, combined with its relatively small size, gives Mercury a unique place in our solar system, which is full of marvels that are waiting to be discovered. Yet it boasts an enormous iron core, which makes up about 65% of its total mass, contributing to its surprising density. Now, brace yourself for the most surprising fact about Mercury. It has water ice. Yes, despite its blistering daytime temperatures, permanently shadowed regions at Mercury's poles may contain ice. This discovery challenges our understanding of the habitable zone in our solar system and opens up new possibilities in the search for life beyond Earth. So, to wrap up, Mercury, the tiny planet closest to the Sun, is a world of paradoxes. It's not the hottest planet despite its proximity to the Sun. It has the most extreme temperature variations. It's smaller than some moons, but incredibly dense. And most surprisingly, it harbors water ice in its shadowy poles. Mercury, it seems, enjoys shattering our celestial assumptions, challenging us to look beyond the obvious, and inviting us to keep exploring the vast and mysterious cosmos that we are a part of. Remember, in the realm of space, things are rarely as they first appear. So keep looking up and keep questioning. The universe is full of surprises, just waiting to be discovered.